Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about neologism. I'm going to explain what it is. I'm going to give some examples and a very useful exercise to understand it better. Neologism is a newly coined term, phrase or word that may be applied in the common use, but it is not accepted in the mainstream language. So we can define neologism as a new word that appears in a language, as a new meaning for an existing word, or as a new use for an existing word. Sometimes this is called a semantic extension.
There are two types of neologism. The first one is form neologism, which are those words created by two terms belonging to a certain language. For example, we have the word radio and we have the word controlled, and the neologism would be the word radio controlled. For example, in Spanish we have the word aéreo plus the word nave. The neologism would be aeronave. The second one is sense neologism, which are new words created by already existed terms, but suffering semantic or meaning changes. For example, we have the word brother, which means a relative, the son of my father or my mother. But brother can also mean a friend, a mate, someone I appreciate. In Spanish, we have the word camello, which means an animal. But camello can also mean a drug dealer. This is sense neologism. To understand better the example of neologism, let's divide the words in fields. So first, in science and technology, we have words like X-ray, created in 1895. We have radar, created in 1941 from radio detection and ranging. And we have laser, created in 1960 from light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. We have in popular culture and commerce words like block, aspirin, Hoover, Kleenex, and Frisbee. Politics, we have words like homophobia, created in 1969. We have heterosexism, created in 1979. We have globalization, created in the 1980s. We have Islamophobia, created in 1991, and we have Californication, created in the 1970s. Finally, in linguistics, we have words like retronym, popularized in 1980. We have backronym, created in 1983. We have typoglycemia, created by Mike Davis of Cambridge University in 2003. We have aptronym, created in 2003, popularized by Franklin Pierce Adams. We have snow clone, created in 2004, and we have proto-logism, created in 2005, among others.
I don't believe in everything I see. You know I'm blind, so why do you disagree? Take me away, 'cause I just don't wanna stay. And the lies you made me say are getting deeper every day. These are crazy days, but they make me shine.